Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nick DiGiovanni's delicious birria tacos. First, toast your dried chilies for about 3 to 4 minutes, then steep them in beef stock to create a rich chili tea. Next, sear a chuck roast until it's beautifully golden brown on all sides. After searing, blend the softened chilies with aromatics like onion, garlic, cumin seeds, and Mexican oregano to form the flavorful braising liquid. Now, strain your blended chili mixture over the seared beef in a Dutch oven. Braise this for several hours until the beef is fall-apart tender. Once cooked, shred the beef and moisten it with some of that incredible birria broth to keep it juicy. Don't forget to prepare your fresh toppings. Finely diced white onion, chopped cilantro, and fresh lime wedges are essential. It's time to assemble. Take a corn tortilla and quickly dip it into the warm consommé sauce. Lay it flat, then add a generous amount of Oaxacan cheese to 1/2, followed by a portion of your shredded birria beef. Add a bit more cheese on top of the beef. Carefully fold the tortilla in half, pressing gently to secure your delicious filling. Finally, cook your assembled tacos in a preheated skillet over medium heat. Let them get golden brown and crispy on one side, then drizzle a spoonful of consommé onto the uncooked side before flipping. Cook until crispy on the second side. Serve these incredible tacos warm with a side of the rich consommé for dipping, along with fresh cilantro, diced white onion, and a squeeze of lime. Enjoy every savory bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.